celebrate the remarkable achievements of our students, those who continue to bring pride and distinction to Pedro D. Minjola Senior Memorial National High School through music, sports, and performance excellence. Let's start with our stars in music and performance. Recently, 3 talented students proudly represented our school in the Sunset Night Market Idol Season 2, wowing both the judges and the audience with their incredible singing abilities. Please give a warm round of applause to these grade 11 young students. Princess Laika Presto, Lizette Taas, and our grand finalist, Raven Canonigo. Next, let's recognize our outstanding student bikers. They competed in the Pajak Mamburao Trail Mountain Bike Challenge held during the Bulao Ani Festival last March 14, 2026, demonstrating strength, determination, and endurance in a challenging competition. Let's celebrate the following students. From grade 11 GAS, 4th place, Gaara Gabriel Silva. 2nd place, from grade 11 Youths, Janmark Pinoya. Inaanyayahan po ang ating mga assistant principal as well as our school principal for the photo op po with our students. Once again, palakpakan po natin ang ating mga talented students. Now, let's move forward for Mi Maropa Ra 2026. Of course, we cannot forget who proudly represented our school in the opening parade of Mi Maropa Raami 2026. No other than the PTM Drum and Lyre Band. Their success was made possible with the guidance of our dedicated teachers and band trainers. Ma'am Mika Jo Transfiguracion, Ma'am Bridget K. Sales, Ma'am Ruby Feliciano, Ma'am Suzette Felipe, Ma'am Maria Hodura Transfiguracion, and Ma'am Jocelyn Sales. We also extend our heartfelt thanks to the MAPE department headed by Ma'am Mary Jane Sales Dagohoy, our supportive principal, Sir Jesse Echibare, the LGU of San Jose through Mayor Ray Gahayon Nataga, and the Office of Congressman Honorable Yogi Odi Tariela. Let's give them a well-deserved round of applause. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's recognize our PTM athletes in Mi Maropa Mid 2026, held in Sablayan, Occidental Mindoro from March 8 to 12, 2026. Our athletes competed with the best from across the Mi Maropa region, proudly carrying the name and honor of PTMS MNHS. Before we recognize our champions, let's first acknowledge the technical officials and delegation officials whose leadership and supervision ensured the safety, organization, and success of the delegation. Presenting the technical officials for archery, Sir Pulinel Villacrucis, Jesse Echibare.
For futsal, Ma'am Rose
Sir Adrian Anthony Osano. And for Wushu, Sir Eric Escuadro. Also presenting the delegation officials, for medical team member, Sir Ray Portasio. For food and refreshment members, Sir Armando Inelda, Sir Jason Iranjo, Sir Romel Griego, and Ma'am Daisy Dayanan. For parade officers and information officers, Sir Rani Fidelis and Sir Alvin Masangkay. For screening chair, Sir Aris Gonzalez. And for head coach and LRP officer, Ma'am Mary Jane Tagohoy. And now, it's time to proudly present our student athletes who brought honor to our school. Fourth place for swimming event secondary boys. 50 meters, fourth place for 100 meters, fourth place for 200 meters from 11 sports track. Let's give a round of applause for Valier Vince Jericho. Another fourth place for Wushu secondary girls category A from grade 9 Leo. Palakpak Shirley. Coach Ma'am Abigail Syra Tolentino. Chaperone Sir Alvin Masangkay. Trainer Sir Eric Escuadro. Bronze medalist from Wushu secondary girls category B from grade 8 Acacia. Coach Ma'am Abigail Syra Tolentino. Chaperone Sir Alvin Masangkay. Trainer Sir Eric Escuadro. Another bronze medalist for gymnastics secondary girls. Bronze medal for both category. Bronze medal for team event from grade 11 Youth 1. Kapokian Heart. Coach Ma'am Cherian Rabanera. Trainer Sir Brian Ed Tuyo. Another bronze medal for boxing youth boys from grade 12 sports track. Igiro John Eric. Announcing the result for silver medalists. For gymnastics secondary boys, silver medal. Floor exercise, silver medal for team event from grade 8 April. Gonzalez Jimmy. Coach Ma'am Cherian Rabanera. Trainer Sir Brian Ed Guyo. Another silver medalist for Wushu secondary boys category A from grade 10 Jade. No other than Friday John Carlo. Coach Ma'am Abigail Syra Tolentino. Trainer Sir Eric Escuadro. Chaperone Sir Alvin Masangkay. And now, let's announce the gold medalist. Gold medal for trio category gymnastics secondary boys. From grade 12, Youth 5, Laos Jerry. He also got the bronze medal for mixed weight category and team event category. Another gold medalist and a Palarong Pambansa qualifier for Wushu secondary boys category B. A pride of grade 8 EPL, Delia Princess John Carlos. Coach Ma'am Abigail Syra Tolentino. Chaperone Sir Alvin Masangkay. Trainer Sir Eric Escuadro. Another gold and a palarong pambansa qualifier for boxing junior boys. Pride of grade 9 Sagittarius, Panagsagan, Kevin. Another gold medalist and a palarong pambansa qualifier from Wushu Secondary Boys Category A. Pride of Grade 12 Sports Shop, Bottom, Ralph Excel. Coach Ma'am Abigail Sara Valentino. Champion Sir Alvin Masangay. Another gold medalist and palarong pambansa qualifier from Wushu Secondary Girls. Pride of Grade 10 Jade. Ikiron Shane. Coach Ma'am Abigail Sara Valentino. Champion Sir Alvin Masangay. Trainer Sir Eric Escuadro. And last but not the least, gold medalist and a bronze medal, a palarong pambansa qualifier who got 2 golds from gymnastics secondary boys, gold in pommel horse, gold in individual all around, bronze in both category, and bronze from team event category. From grade 10 Jade, Acosta Friday. Coach Ma'am Cherry Ann Cabanera. Trainer Sir Brian Ed Guyo. Athletes, maghawak kamay. Itaas at magbigay pugay. Palakpakan natin ang ating mga atleta. Ang PTM ay muling nagbigay ng malaking karangalan sa ating paaralan matapos makapagtala ng 7 golds, 5 silver at 6 bronze medals sa pagkatapos lamang na Emra Amit. Sa 12 student athletes na nag-represent ng ating school, lahat sila, 12 out of 12, ay nagkaroon ng place sa kanilang events. Isang napakalaking achievement at patunay na kanilang dedication, hard work, and determination. Ang Wushu Secondary Boys ay tinanghal bilang overall champion. Muli nilang dadalhin ang pangalan ng ating paaralan sa mas mataas ng taas ng kompetisyon. Muli, hindi lamang ito simpleng panalo sa larangan ng music and sports. Isa itong kasaysayang tagumpay para sa ating paaralan. Mula sa dating tinaguriang tapunan ng mga dropouts, ngayon ay muling kinikilala bilang tahanan ng mga kampiyon. And congratulations as well to our school for being recognized online with more than 4.4 million views and 185,000 reactions. The positive feedback and support we received for cheering on our athletes and uniting our school community show that PTM is not only the home of champions, but also the home of humble and heartfelt people. Once again, thank you to our athletes, coaches, trainers, admins, and to everyone who continues to uplift the PTM spirit. Once again, mabuhay ang Pedro D. Minjola Senior Memorial National High School! Sigaw na po tayo! PTM! PTM! 1, 2, 3, go!
Hanan ng mga kampyon. Para sa mga nag-qualify po para sa palarong pambansa, nakasuporta ang PTM family sa inyong lahat. At
ang panahon ng walang pag-aalinlangan. So this recognition is proudly presented of the student for his or her honest performance in finding and returning money to the school authorities at the Senior High School Guidance Office of Pedro T. Minjola Senior Memorial National High School, given the 16th day of March 2026 at Pedro T. Minjola Senior Memorial National High School, San Jose, Mindoro. So our signatories, we have Sir Aris Gonzalez, Assistant Principal, and Sir Jesse D. Echevarri, our Principal. Tawagan ko po si Alvin C. Motol. Nandyan po ba? Alvin Motol. Ikilala natin ang pagiging honest. Next, pera po, wallet, cellphone, at saka laptop ang mga ibinalik po nila. Jaya B. Jacinto. Gia D. Jacinto. Next, Apple M. Rojas. Apple M. Rojas, and we have Ivan Ray C. Pomon. Lapit na dito na. Salamat sa pagiging tapat na anak at yan ay pagpapakilala ng ating paaralan.